Yeah, thank you, Shubham, and thank you, entire team of SaS. It was a lovely and a thoughtful session, which we thought in the start of the day would out to be as an outcome. So, round of applause for the SaS team, everyone, the efforts which you have taken. Shubham Chatterjee is the head of education and academia from India SaS. Then we have Mr. Uday Shankar, the senior customer training advisor, India SaS. Dr. Radhakrishna B, presentation which she gave, and Shubham Chatterjee already introduced. It was an effort to bring the academia and industry together to have a meaningful and a brainstorming session in how data analytics and artificial intelligence can be used and help in changing our curriculum. By inviting you all education leaders to come and share your case studies, your thoughts, and your ideas, as in how you are using the data sciences in your different streams and in the and use of artificial intelligence. We thought to have this session more engaging, as in it was more of a dialogue with few presentations, videos, and a general introduction of your eminent education leaders. Again, thank you and a huge round of applause for yourself, people, that you managed to come on Children's Day today again. So happy Children's Day to everyone. It is for us as well. And at the end of the session, when we are approaching, it is a small effort which ArdorComm Media would like to do. We want to honor you for your exemplary contribution in the field of education. We want to present a token of thanks, a small gift from SaS, and a certificate with a memento to you. So I would like Shubham Chatterjee to please join me on the stage to do the honors.
So, good evening everyone, and with this we'll start the felicitation ceremony. Now I would like to start the felicitation. I would like to invite Dr.
Sarno.
Thank you.
Dr. Balakrishna P. Sethi sir, Pro Chancellor Bhalarati Vishwavidyalaya. Dr. C.V. Narasimha sir, Principal Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. Dr. J. Praveen, Principal Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. Dr. Mohammad Mujahideen Irfan, Dean Academic, SR University, Warangal.
Thank you.
Dr. V. Vijay Kumar, Dean School of Engineering, Anurag University. Professor Sandeep Deshmukh, Dean BICS, Philanthropy. Dr. D.V.T. Dharmaji Rao, Dean CRM Technical Campus. Professor P. Prabhakaran Reddy, Director Academic, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. Dr. Nadim Divya, Dean Alumni Relationship, Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology. Dr. Sunil George, Director, Symbiosis Law College. Dr. Sivraj Narayan, Dean Academy, BRN, Vignan Institute of Engineering and Technology. Dr. R.V.R. Krishna, Vice Chancellor, MNR University. Professor Dr. Bharat Bhushan Singh. Dr. T.P. Sasikumar, Vice Chancellor, Adi Shankara University. Dr. S. Srinatha Reddy, Director, Guru Nanak Institute of Technical Campus.
Thank you.
Dr. K. Srinivas Rao, Registrar, Mallarity University. Professor S. Guru Narayanan, Deputy Director, BITS Planning, Hyderabad. Dr. Renu Girewka, Director of Oxygen. Now I request Mr. Chandan to felicitate SaS team as well, and that is starting with Dr. Radha Krishna B, Director. Mr. Uday Shankar, Senior Customer Training Advisor, India SaS. And last but not least, Shubham sir, Head SaS.